Hey, I'm Fish, your how-to guy. I ride a bicycle. This is Zonk Smart Bike Taillight. What is it about? Oh yes indeed. Let's get a nice close-up look and an unboxing of the product. Instruction guide, the mount, 4 tie wraps, 2 O-rings, charging cable, USB-C, the product that you peel the film off for the first time. On the product you're going to hold, twist, release. On the back of the unit, black on black, is a USB door, IP rated. You're going to charge the unit up by plugging in your USB-C port. It shows a soft red circle, breathing, flashing. There's a center button. If you quick press it, you're going to get a green light and a number of different modes. Press it again, it's a breathing mode. And again, it's a brightness with the flicker. And again, a brightness, dim, and so forth, and off. With each of the flashing modes, you're going to get up to 25 hours on the lowest, 13 hours, 42 hours, and 18 hours, depending on the modes. There's a slow flash, breathe, flash, and normally on. Take the brake light and take the adapter. You're going to twist it on. Grab one side with the ring. Wrap it around the bike. And do your best to snap it into place. Remember, cold weather and warm weather may break the band, and adjust it. Turn it on like so. I have a spot right here where this is good for. I'm going to take the tie wrap, hard for you to see. I'm going to lock it on. I adjust it, take it off for safety reasons, and place it back on when ready. The back brake light is great. You're able to be seen at night. Pick the modes you want, and when you automatically brake, the brake light will come on. Check out Zonk, the brake light. It's an awesome product indeed. Works as expected, does a great job, and lasts many hours of use. I hope you enjoy your product of the automatic brake light.